Hey, this is Brian
And Phil.
here at CMM this afternoon. We've got a part that has been around for quite some time, the Desnubber, that spent a lot of time on TJ hoods originally. It's what we developed it for. Then it made its way onto the JK hood and carried on. And now that the JL is out, we have found a new use for it. So if you decide that you're going to put a bumper on the rear of your JL that has a tire carrier on it, and you don't need that factory tire carrier, aka this, quit by. You may want to get rid of these ugly Desnubbers that are sitting on the back of this bumper now. So, on the back of this tailgate now. So, it's almost as if they designed this part, being the tailgate, around our Desnubber when it comes down to it. So, it's easy as this comes out, a twist and a pull, it's out of there. You've got an open hole. And you don't really want an open hole for weather and everything to get back inside of your Jeep. So, our Desnubbers, which we've got a pair here, we're going to show you how to put these into your JL so you fill up the holes and you have a nice clean look when it's all finished. Now we're going to show you how to put these in.
First things first, you don't want to mar anything on the inside of your Jeep. So if you just take a tool and walk this around, you pull this plastic panel off, comes off super easy. Set that aside. This panel comes off with just some quick pulls, the whole panel comes right off, giving you easy access to your hole. So now that your trim panel's off, you'll have two holes. We already installed a Desnubber on the left side, so we're just gonna work here on the right side. So Brian's gonna put the Desnubber in from the outside. It'll show the stud. Take your fender washer that we supply you, and your nylock nut. 7/16 on this side.
And on this side, a 5/32 Allen wrench or socket.
And just, you don't have to get crazy. All you have to do is snug it up there until it's got some pressure on there. And that's it. It's as easy as that. Before you go to replace your trim panel again, sometimes these green plastic clips get stuck in the door when you pull it out. It's an easy fix. Just grab a needle nose plier, just get a hold of it, pull it right out, reinstall it on the panel. Super easy, and then you can just snap your panel right back on. A little bit of pressure, everything will snap right in. Perfect. And then take your trim panel, make sure Jeep is facing up, and you just pop that back in. And that's it, you're finished. So now, when you close your door, nice Desnubbers, clean look, really smooths it back out.
Thank you all for checking in with us, and you will be able to check here back with us later on. We'll put some more stuff in. Cut, do it again.
And then you get your trim panel on, and you're good to go. Ah, shit, not again. Can't leave the door open anywhere around here.
Man, that sure is clean. Hi, Philly.
Country, city, same thing. Don't leave your doors open. You never know what'll happen.